welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, my name is Adobe Okonkwo. On this channel I make videos about productivity, building a career, living my best life, and just lifestyle videos. If those are videos that interest you, then honey, you should consider joining this family by smashing the red big button down below that says subscribe. While you're that, make sure to turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I have a new video up on my channel. Without any further ado, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Sunday reset. Today is Sunday, I think December 11th. I'm just going to be doing laundry, cleaning the house a little bit more, washing the bathroom. I like to wash the bathroom every 1 week just because that's the most appropriate time before the mods come like really irritating. So that's what I'm going to be spending some time doing today. I have like 2 works that I need to get done, actually 3 that I need to finish up before tomorrow. I have my final presentation tomorrow, so I already picked out the clothes and the wig that I want to wear. So I need to straighten the wig and also straighten another wig that I want to use for a video and also for my trip to Dallas if I eventually go to Dallas. But in the meantime, I want you guys to subscribe, join the family, like this video, share with your friends, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. But yeah, let's get started. I don't want to spend a lot of time cleaning, so it's just minimal cleaning is what I want to do. I know I would eventually do like deep cleaning, but the major focus is the bathroom, and then I need to just vacuum the whole house and then I should be fine. Cap I got from H&M. It's usually very hard getting a cap that is big for my big head, but I found this size in size large in 58 inches I believe, so, and it fits perfectly on my head. I haven't worn it with a wig, so I don't know if it's gonna fit with a wig, but I am pretty sure it will because there's still like a good amount of space. And then I got some socks. Honestly, I didn't need to, but I just love the color of it, so I just got. So there's the like this color, brownish gray color. You can wear this with your booty if you want to, but they're really comfortable house socks, lounge socks. And then I have this off-white color one, which I think is my favorite. This was actually the color that attracted me to it. So it's not white, it's not brown, it's like a very off-white kind of color. So yeah, and you can see how soft H&M. And then I got this bucket cap. So the socks is $15 excluding tax. And then I got earrings, which are downstairs. Those earrings are super cute. I think I'll wear them for my final presentation. Yeah, I think I already rambled a lot. I'm gonna start off with this area. Lay the bed, move to the bathroom, move to the bedroom, to the closet, take out all the clothes I want to wash, just put it outside, and then of course put the socks in my new drawer. Again, subscribe if you want to and you enjoy this kind of content. I'll see you guys shortly. Workspace and then my beauty space. So I want to create like when I did the diagnosis, the first part, like finding out what the key issues were, I think I was able to get some of them. So I found so the relationship, you know how, have you read the full case?
Yeah. So and that's well, you remember that thing you said about they don't want to waste time.
So we charge them commission. I think we charge them 15 to 20% commission on whatever price the customer pays, right? So that will be, oh yeah, this won't work. So
Then, to shake things up, new Islander Kira joined the party and got to know each guy before deciding which one to steal.
hey guys, so it is 6:27. I have 3 to do things that I need to get done with. I have my final presentation tomorrow, maybe 4. So the first thing I need to do is type out my speaker notes for my presentation tomorrow, rehearse that, and then next I need to prepare the survey that I want to use for my GA stuff. So yeah, I need to do that because my boss is going to be reviewing it tomorrow, so I need to send it very early tomorrow morning as we're having my first morning class. And then once I'm done with that, I do need to iron my clothes for tomorrow and also straighten my hair, but I feel like those two I can do tomorrow morning because my very first class for the day starts at 9:55, so I definitely have some time. But this one I don't have time because I feel like if I don't prepare the day before, on the day of the presentation, it's not gonna be nice. Like I'm gonna be just and just, yeah, not my best version. So I like to prepare very well before every presentation. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I am almost done typing. Actually, that's a lie. I still have a lot of typing out to do with my speaker notes, and then I'll get to start rehearsing. I just remembered my iWatch is low because I just checked this thing and it showed me that it's low, so I need to go plug it in and then grab my small tripod. But yeah, I'm so excited. It's like, I'm so excited, guys. I want to go to bed early. I'm so tired. I wasn't able to do even half of what I wanted to do, but no matter what, I need to rehearse this presentation for tomorrow. So when I go to bed, I'll just rehearse it a little bit, and then yeah, we'll take it from there. I think I'm halfway done with the presentation. I was typing out what I was going to say, but I realized it was taking so much time. It's slide by slide to like sticks into my head. So yeah, I'm just going to grab some water and then we'll start heading upstairs because this girl is tired. I am super exhausted. To think of it, right? I didn't even do anything much this weekend. I don't think I did anything, honestly. I had so much time. I didn't do shit. I didn't do my assignment. I was just like relaxing. Now the thing is kicking my butt. So yeah, let's do that. I'm going to go to bed. I'm so exhausted. I'll see you guys. Let's grab water first. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on all my vlogmas videos. I'm going to be posting those every day, so this is just one of the vlogmas. I'm going to put all the videos, my vlogmas playlist, somewhere here, link it somewhere here, so in case you're interested in watching all of them, you can actually go check them out. I actually started vlogmas the second half of the month, 15th of December all the way, and I'm going to be doing all the way to the new year. So I hope you come around, I hope you stick around, and I hope you subscribe. And honestly, like, no pressure, just subscribe if you enjoy this kind of content and you like vibes. But if I'm not giving the right vibes, like, please don't subscribe at all. No pressure. So let's pack up and grab water and then go upstairs. I'm exhausted.